Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with MetaTrader 5 and FTMO using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Before we start, let me show you how this works. TradingView generates the buy and sell signals. TradeAdapter receives those alerts and converts them into real orders. FTMO executes the trades directly on your account. That's the full automation flow. Let's get started. In this case, we already have a demo account created with the FTMO broker. So, simply make sure to save your login and password. We'll use these credentials to continue the setup directly inside MetaTrader. Once that's ready, we can move on to the next step. To continue, on the left panel, open the navigator, right-click on Accounts, and select Login to Trade Account. In the pop-up window, enter your MT5 account number in the login field. Add your trading password and select the server provided by FTMO Demo. To confirm everything is correct, we can check the Journal tab with authorization and synchronized notifications. And at the top of the MT5 window, you'll also see the account number we just logged into. With the FTMO Demo Account now linked to MT5, the next step is to add our expert advisor. To do that, open the TradeAdapter website, go to the Instructions section, and select MT5 Setup. Once the page loads, you'll find the latest EA version available for download, developed by our team. Inside MT5, go to File and select Open Data Folder. This will open a directory where we navigate to MQL5, then Experts, and finally, Advisors. In that location, we paste the EA we just downloaded. Back in MT5, open the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors, and select Refresh to update the list. Next, on the top menu, open Tools and click on Options. Go to the Expert Advisors tab and enable the following options. Allow algorithmic trading and allow web request for the listed URL. Remember that it's very important to enable algo trading in the top toolbar so you can avoid any errors later on. Now it's time to choose the pair we want to trade. In this example, we'll use XAGUSD and we'll attach the expert advisor directly to that chart. Within the EA settings, we need to fill in the API field. To do that, go to the My Profile section on the TradeAdapter website and copy your API key. And before closing the window, make sure that under the Common tab, the option Allow Algo Trading is enabled, so the expert advisor can operate without any issues. As a quick check, look at the top right corner of the chart to confirm the EA is attached. Now that MetaTrader 5 is fully set up and ready to go, we can move on to the next step. Let's head over to TradingView, where we'll search for the XAGUSD pair to continue with the connection process. Let's open the Indicators menu. In the search bar, look for Half Trend Indicator, which we'll be using as example for generating trading signals in this setup. Once the indicator is attached to the chart, you'll see the buy and sell signals appear. From there, we create our alerts, one for long signals and another for short signals. In the Alerts panel, click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is properly linked to your indicator. In this example, we'll begin by setting up the alert for the Half Trend Buy signal. Next, we move to the Message tab, where we enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, so it's easy to identify later on. And to complete the final field, we'll go to the TradeAdapter website, open the Instructions section, and look for the message generator specifically for MetaTrader. In this case, since we're using an indicator, we select the specific message generator for it. We then enter our MetaTrader account number and set the order size to 0.1 without take profit or stop loss, essentially simulating a spot-style trade. After that, we generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. In the Notifications tab, make sure Webhook URL is selected. We then repeat the alert creation process, but this time with two important changes. In the Condition field, we select half-trend sell, so the alert triggers on short signals. And when generating the message, we update the order type from buy to sell to ensure the correct execution in MT5. After running the setup for a while, our indicator begins to generate signals on TradingView, and each of those signals is processed automatically through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything has been handled correctly, we can head over to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Inside My Trades, we go to the MetaTrader tab, where all processed trades are displayed. Here we can review every order that was received, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was properly converted into a valid MT5 instruction. And to complete the verification, we go back to MetaTrader 5 and open the History tab at the bottom of the platform. This section shows every executed order, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView, processed by TradeAdapter, were successfully executed in our demo account. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.